There are a lot of unwritten rules and airport secrets that could make your experience smoother or more efficient. Here are some insider tips they don't always want you to know. 1. So pre-check charge global entry saves. Time, TSA pre-check and global entry are essential for frequent flyers looking to save time. With TSA pre-check, you can breeze through security without removing your shoes, laptop, or liquids. Global entry also expedites re-entry into the US after international travel, making it a major time saver. 2. Airport lounges aren't just for first-class passengers. Airport lounges are not reserved for first-class passengers. Many premium credit cards like the Chase Sapphire or American Express Platinum grant you access to airport lounges where you can relax, enjoy free snacks and drinks, and use the Wi-Fi. In some cases, you can also buy a one-time pass to access a lounge, which can make long layovers more comfortable. 3. Arrive at the right time. While it's tempting to arrive hours before your flight, it's best to strike a balance. For domestic flights, arriving 1.5 to 2 hours in advance is usually sufficient, while for international flights, 2 to 3 hours works well. Arriving too early doesn't get you much except extra waiting time, so plan accordingly. 4. Ask for extra legroom seats. If you want extra legroom but don't want to pay for it, try asking the gate agent about available seats. On flights that aren't full, you may be able to get upgraded to a seat with more space. It's always worth inquiring before boarding, especially if the flight is relatively empty. 5. Wi-Fi can be free. Check before you log on. Airport Wi-Fi isn't always free, but many airports do offer free access for a limited time. Some airports restrict free Wi-Fi after a certain period, so always check the terms before connecting. Be cautious about using it for sensitive tasks like banking, as public Wi-Fi can be less secure. 6. Gate upgrades are sometimes offered. If you're hoping for an upgrade, don't be afraid to ask the gate agent. Sometimes airlines offer last-minute upgrades at a discounted price, especially if there are empty premium seats. The best time to ask is shortly before boarding when there's a clear picture of how full the flight is. 7. Security line strategy. Security lines can be a hassle, but not all lines are created equal. In large airports, you may find that certain terminals have shorter or faster security lines. Don't just follow the crowd. Explore different checkpoints, especially if you're in a hurry. 8. Keep your phone out of your carry-on. To make security go faster, keep your phone out of your carry-on. You'll likely be asked to remove it from your bag, so having it ready will speed up the process. This small action can help you move through the security checkpoint more efficiently. 9. Watch out for hidden fees. Low-cost airlines are notorious for charging extra fees, so always read the fine print before booking. Many budget carriers charge for things you might think are included, such as carry-ons, checked bags, and seat selection. Checking these details up front can save you from being surprised at the airport. 10. Use the bathroom before boarding. It's a simple tip but often overlooked. Use the bathroom before you board your flight. Waiting until you're in the air can lead to long lines for the restroom, especially on longer flights. Going before boarding ensures a more comfortable experience once you're on the plane. Do any of these sound like things you might use? There are always hidden perks when you know where to look.